Hello, welcome back everyone, and today we're going to be doing baked turkey necks in the oven. I already washed and cleaned the turkey necks up before I started. We're going to be using beef broth, we're going to be using beef onion soup, mushroom onion soup, garlic powder, and we're also going to be using beef bouillon base. So, what we're going to do to get started, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get them put in the pan. So he's going to get them all lined up. I'm hoping that they all will fit in here. So we're going to go ahead and put that away. My hands washed up. Next we're going to go in with one package because 2 packages come in the box, so we're going to go ahead with 1 package of it. We're going to kind of just go over the turkey necks with them. We're going to do the same thing with the onion mushroom. Next, I'm just going to go ahead with some garlic powder. And right here, I'm going to stop so I can get this kind of massaged into the meat, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I did go ahead and get the seasoning massaged into the meat like that. So next, we're going to go in with our beef broth. And then next with our bouillon. So at this point now, I'm just basically going to put some foil on it. Go ahead and I'm going to stick this in the oven on 350 degrees for 2 hours. So in 2 hours, I'm going to bring you back and let you see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, our turkey necks should be ready. At this point, it's been 2 hours. We're going to check to see how tender they are. Oh yeah, they're good and tender. Okay, well, I'm going to take these bad boys out and I'm going to go ahead and plate them up. Alright, you guys, there is our finishing product. I would really like to, you know, kind of tilt the plate over a little bit so you can see it, but it's got a lot of juice in the bottom of it and I don't want to have to clean that up. So thank you guys for coming and watching and spending time with me on with my videos. Please comment, like, subscribe, engage with me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see, or just say, hey, how you doing? So until we meet again, thank you for watching.